Hey, welcome to our very first Leadership Minute. 60 seconds on leadership? Yeah, with me. Have you ever tried to work out a definition for leadership? Like we all talk about it, but how do you describe what it really is? How can you get a short sentence that captures everything that leadership offers? But I tell you what you can know. If leadership is missing, you notice it. You're in a group of people who's meant to achieve something and everyone's sitting around mucking about. You know leadership is missing. Or you're part of a country and you're not even sure how it's being governed. You know that leadership is missing. Here's what I've worked out. Leadership is like cleaning the toilet. When it's being done well, nobody notices. But when no one's doing it, everybody suffers. Catch you next time.